Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn off suggested posts. If you're seeing too many suggested posts in your Instagram feed, you can permanently turn them off, but you can reduce them or temporarily hide them. So open the Instagram app. So once you're here, tap the Instagram logo at the top of your home feed. Then from the options, you have two options here, select following, or you can select favorites to browse posts from accounts you follow without suggested posts. So choose one. Then you can click the two-line menu in the top right corner. Then from here, you can tap Not Interested. Then if prompted, choose News All Suggested Posts for 30 days. So click Not Interested. So it says here, Instagram will show fewer posts like this. So it will also mute that profile or page. Again. So from here, you can also mute that profile. You can unfollow them, etc. So Instagram allows you to snooze suggested posts for up to 30 days. And after that, you'll need to enable the snooze again if you want to continue hiding suggestions. So to see few recommendations over time, so you can mark unwanted suggestions as not interested. You can follow more accounts you're genuinely interested in, and you can interact like save, comment, share with content you enjoy so Instagram better understands your preferences. And that's it. Thank you for watching.